Hello friends, this is Prashant Raj Swaha. Today I'm here with a new topic, and the topic is Masonry. Now let us look on it. Introduction on Masonry. Masonry is a term that refers to the craft of building structures using individual units or materials such as bricks, stones, concrete blocks, or tiles. It involves arranging and bonding these units together to create walls, arches, columns, and other architectural elements. Masonry has been used in construction for thousands of years and is known for its durability and strength. Modern masonry techniques have evolved to include various innovations and materials such as reinforced concrete masonry, which combines concrete blocks with steel reinforcement for added strength. Masonry is a highly skilled trade that requires experience, knowledge of construction principles, and an eye for detail. It plays a significant role in construction industry, contributing to the creation of durable and aesthetically pleasing structures. Now let us look the types of masonry. Some of the most common types are brick masonry. This type of masonry involves using bricks, which are rectangular units made of fired clay or concrete. It can be further classified in various styles such as English bond, Flemish bond, common bond, based on the arrangement and the pattern of the bricks. The next is stone masonry. Uh, Stone masonry utilizes natural stones such as granite, limestone, or marble to construct buildings or structures. It can be used in their natural shape or cut in specified shapes and size. And the next is concrete block masonry. The concrete blocks, also known as cinder blocks or concrete masonry units, are widely used in the construction. They are made up of concrete mixed with aggregates such as sand or gravel. They provide strength, insulation, and ease for construction. Now the next is reinforced masonry. In this type, the masonry units are combined with the reinforcement element like steel bars or mace. The reinforcement helps increase the tensile strength of the masonry structure, making it suitable for taller or long load-bearing applications. The next is adobe masonry. Adobe masonry involves using sun-dried mud bricks made from a mixture of clay and sand, straw, and sometimes other organic materials. They are commonly used in regions with a dry climate. It is a traditional and sustainable method of construction. Next is mortar-less masonry. They are also known as dry stack masonry. This type of construction relies on the precisely cut stones or blocks that interlock without the need of mortar. And the next is glass block masonry. They are translucent or transparent building units made of glass that can be used to create walls or partitions, allowing light to pass through it while maintaining privacy. They are commonly used in modern architectural design. Let us look towards the application of masonry, where we'll use the machineries. Residential construction. They are extensively used in the residential construction for building houses, townhouses, and apartment complexes. It provides durable and aesthetically pleasing structures, including exterior walls, fireplaces, chimneys, and retaining walls. The next is commercial buildings. It is widely employed in the construction of commercial buildings such as offices, retail stores, hotels, and schools, as it offers strength, fire resistance, and also sound insulation, making it suitable for those structures. Now, the next is historical restoration. Many historical buildings and monuments are constructed using masonry techniques. Masonry experts are often involved in the restoration and preservation of those structures, ensuring their historical integrity and longevity. Next is industrial construction. Masonry used in industrial settings for constructing warehouse, factories, and storage facilities that provide strength and stability to withstand the heavy loads and harsh environment. And the next is infrastructure projects, such as they are used in the infrastructure projects such as bridges, tunnels, dams. They can withstand high pressure, erosion, and environmental factors, making it suitable for those large scale projects. Now, the next is landscaping and hardscaping. They plays a significant role in landscaping and hardscaping projects. It is used to create retaining walls, pathways, patios, garden walls, and decorative elements, enhancing the functionality and aesthetic of outdoor spaces. Next is interior design. Masonry materials like bricks or stones are often incorporated into interior design elements, adding texture and character to spaces. Masonry walls or partitions can also be used for soundproofing or creating thermal barriers. The next is decorative features. Masonry is employed to create decorative features in buildings such as arches, columns, intricate patterns on facades. These elements add structural beauty and visual interest to the structures. Let us look at the advantages of the masonry. The durability. Masonry structures are known for their durability and long lifespan. Materials like bricks, stones, or concrete blocks are mostly fire resistant, rot, and pest resistant, ensuring the integrity of the building over time. Next is strength and stability. They provide excellent structural strength and stability. The use of mortar and the bonding techniques creates a solid and load-bearing structure capable to withstand heavy loads and also seismic forces too. The thermal insulation. Uh, those materials have inherent thermal mass properties, meaning means they can absorb and store the heat that result in better insulation and temperature regulation within a building. Next is fire resistance. They are highly fire resistant, which enhances the safety of a structure. Materials like bricks or concrete blocks do not burn or release toxic fumes when exposed to fire. Next is soundproofing. Masonry structures offer excellent sound insulation properties. The dense and solid nature of masonry materials helps reduce the transmission of sound waves, creating quieter indoor environments and minimizing the noise pollution. The next is low maintenance. They require minimum maintenance over its lifespan. Unlike materials like they may rot, wrap, or require regular painting, masonry materials are resilient and largely maintenance free. The next is aesthetic appeal. They provide a timeless and aesthetically pleasing look to buildings. The variety of textures, color, and the pattern available in the masonry materials allows for creative and visually appealing designs. The next is sustainability. Many masonry materials are sourced locally and have a low environmental impact. Bricks and stones are natural and abundant resources, and the production of concrete blocks can utilize recycled materials. Let us look towards the disadvantages of the masonry. Some of the drawbacks are cost. The masonry construction can be more expensive compared to other construction. Uh, the materials, labors, and specialized skill are required for the masonry work. Next is construction time. The masonry construction can be time consuming, especially for intricate designs or complex structures. The process of laying individual units and allowing time for mortar to cure can result in longer construction. Next is limited design flexibility. Masonry construction may have limitation in the terms of design flexibility. Materials such as steel, glass, which can be molded or shaped into various forms. Masonry is generally limited to rectangular or angular shapes. Next is weight. Masonry materials are heavy, which can pose challenges during the transportation, handling, and construction. Special equipment and techniques may be required to lift and maneuver heavy units. The next is structural consideration. The weight and the rigidity of the masonry can pose challenges in seismic prone areas. The masonry structures may require additional reinforcement or design consideration to withstand seismic forces. The next is moisture and water intrusion. While masonry materials are generally resistant to moisture, poor construction techniques or lack of proper waterproofing measures can lead to water infiltration and related issues such as dampness, mold growth, and deterioration over time. Now, the next is retrofitting and modifications. Making changes or modifications to masonry structures can be more challenging compared to other construction methods. The demolition and reconstruction may be necessary for significant alterations, which can be costly and time consuming. Now let us see the factors affecting the strength of the masonries and the material properties. The properties of the masonry materials used as blocks, bricks, stones, or concrete blocks significantly influence the strength of the masonry. The mortar properties. The properties of the mortar used to bond the masonry units together play a crucial role in strength of the masonry. Next is bonding and joint thickness. The quality of the bond between the masonry units are essential for the strength of the masonry. Adequate bonding ensures the load transfer and uniform distribution of the stresses. Next is construction techniques. Proper construction techniques and workmanship are vital for achieving strong masonry. Factors such as proper alignment, leveling, plumbness, and joint filling techniques impact the overall strength and stability of the masonry structure. Next is structural design. The structural design of the masonry, including the layout, dimension, and reinforcements, influences its strength. The next is environmental factors. Environmental conditions can affect the strength of masonry over time. Factors such as temperature variation, a freeze-thaw cycle, moisture, and exposure to chemicals or pollutants can impact the durability and long-term performance of the masonry structure. Next is quality control and testing. The regular quality control measure and testing procedures during construction and are crucial for ensuring the strength of masonry. In conclusion, we can say that masonry is a versatile and widely used construction method that offers numerous advantages. It provides durable and long-lasting structures with excellent strength, stability, and high resistance. Masonry materials like bricks, stones, and concrete blocks have inherent thermal insulation and soundproofing properties, contributing to energy efficiency and comfortable indoor environment. Masonry also offers aesthetic appeal, allowing for creative designs and customization. Proper engineering, construction techniques, and maintenance are essential to mitigate the potential issues such as moisture infiltration or seismic vulnerability. When properly executed, masonry can provide robust and visually appealing structures that stands the test of time. Thank you for your time.